Welcome back to our fascinating animal series. Today, we're traveling to the magical forests of New Zealand to meet the Kakapo, one of the world's rarest and most unusual parrots. With its chubby physique, inability to fly, and nocturnal habits, the Kakapo is like no other bird you've seen before. So, what makes this parrot so extraordinary? Let's find out. The Kakapo, also known as the owl parrot, is an endemic species found only in New Zealand. Its name comes from the Maori words kaka, meaning parrot, and po, meaning night, so its name literally means night parrot. Kakapos are flightless parrots, and at up to 4 kilograms, they're the heaviest parrots in the world. Unlike most birds, kakapos spend their time on the ground or climbing trees, relying on their strong legs rather than their wings. They're also nocturnal, meaning they're most active at night. With their mossy green feathers, they blend perfectly into the forest floor, making them expert hiders in their natural habitat. While kakapos can't fly, they've adapted to their grounded lifestyle. Their wings are small and mostly used for balance when climbing or gliding short distances, and don't let their size fool you. They're surprisingly agile on the ground. Instead of flying to escape predators, kakapos use their camouflage and remain perfectly still when threatened. This worked well in a world without natural predators, but when humans introduced animals like cats and stoats, the kakapos' freeze and hide strategy became a disadvantage. One of the kakapos' most unusual traits is its smell. Unlike most birds, kakapos give off a musky, sweet odor that smells a bit like flowers or honey. While it's delightful to humans, this scent can betray their location to predators, making it another challenge for their survival. And did you know that kakapos are incredibly charming? They're known for their quirky personalities, often waddling right up to humans out of curiosity. They're like the comedians of the parrot world. Here's another fascinating fact about kakapos. They have one of the most unique mating systems of any bird called lek breeding. During the breeding season, male kakapos carve out small bowls in the ground and gather in specific areas to compete for females. The males then produce a deep, resonating, booming call that can be heard up to 5 kilometers away. These booms attract females to their bowls, where the males perform a dance to win their attention. It's like a noisy bird disco in the forest. But here's the catch. Kakapos only breed every 2 to 4 years, depending on the availability of certain plants like the rimu tree, whose fruits trigger breeding. This makes their reproduction extremely slow, adding another challenge to their survival. By the 1990s, the kakapo population had dwindled to just 50 birds. Thanks to New Zealand's dedicated conservation efforts, their numbers have risen to around 250 today. Every kakapo is given a name, tracked and monitored to ensure their survival. These birds now live on protected, predator-free islands where teams work tirelessly to ensure they thrive. Some kakapos even have their own social media profiles to raise awareness about their conservation. And here's a fun tidbit. A kakapo named Sirocco became an internet sensation for his quirky antics. Before we wrap up, let's share some fun facts about these feathered wonders. Kakapos can live up to 90 years, making them one of the longest living birds. Their green feathers not only provide camouflage, but also help regulate their temperature. Each kakapo has a unique personality. Some are shy, while others are playful and bold. Kakapos are herbivores, feeding on seeds, fruits, and leaves. Their favorite treat? The fruits of the native rimu tree. And here's one for the books. Sirocco, one of the most famous kakapos, once went viral for attempting to mate with a wildlife photographer's head during filming. This quirky behavior just adds to their charm. The kakapo is more than just a fascinating bird. It's a symbol of resilience and hope. Thanks to the incredible efforts of conservationists, these unique parrots are making a slow but steady comeback. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the one-of-a-kind kakapo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing animal stories. Tomorrow, we'll meet another remarkable creature. Any guesses? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.